Here I've got Cubot Max 2 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and go to System. Now pick Languages and Input and then go to the first tab, which is Languages. Here by tapping on Add a Language, you will be able to come along with the whole list of languages included here. So as you can see, it's pretty wide, so everyone will find something suitable. And let me pick, for example, Espanol, then pick the region, it can be Argentina, and you have to swipe up this language to the first place to make it a default one. Now give your device a sec, and as you can see now, everything is in Espanol. Then if you would like to go back to English or change it to some different language, you have one more time go to System, which is the last tab here, then pick the first tab with the word icon, which is for languages and then languages. It was languages and input and then languages here. And now simply swipe up English if you would like to go back to English, or simply add some other language by tapping on Add a Language. And if you would like to permanently delete some languages from this list, for example, Espanol and Polish, click on the More icon, then select Remove. Choose both and tap on the bin icon to remove them. And as you can see, now you have just one default language included in your Cubot Max 2. And this is how you can easily and quickly change language in your Cubot Max 2. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.